Vrindavan Harinam Sankirtan ki Jai. See, when Lord Krishna was personally present in the planet, when the Kali Yuga had just begun, he called the Pandavas and sent them in different directions to make some observations and come back. One of the Pandavas said he saw a big sized cuckoo bird which was swallowing a rabbit. And he was very shocked then. Oh, this cuckoo bird sings very sweetly, but it is doing a very sinful act of killing a rabbit. So he came back and told Krishna. Then another Pandava went in another direction. He came back and said, I saw multiple wells which were all overflowing with water. But in the middle of all of them, there was one big well which was completely running dry. Although all the wells were overflowing with water, they were not ready to give even one drop to the middle well, which was running dry. So that's what I observed, he said. And another Pandava came and said, when he was walking, I saw a big boulder coming down the mountain, and it was breaking to pieces many other boulders. It was also uprooting many other trees, big, large trees. It was uprooting them. But when it came down, there was one creeper, very small plant. There was a small thin plant. When the stone came there on the top of that plant, it just stopped. Neither could it uproot the plant, nor it could go down. So anybody would be surprised. Big trees are getting uprooted and knocked off by this boulder, but one small plant is able to stop it. So they all asked, this is the beginning of Kali Yuga, what is your teaching for us? So Krishna told them, see, Kali Yuga is the age where even the pious people and so-called saints and swindlers, in Kali Yuga it is seen that they speak a lot very sweetly, but they don't talk from Shastra. They will not talk about God. They will talk about everything other than God. And be good, do good. At the same time, they will loot the money of the public. So that is what Lord said, that the rabbit which was being swallowed is the mass of people who are looted by the pious people and saintly people in Kali Yuga, who just actually become parasites on society, just eat and sleep and speak sweet words just to keep their sense gratification going on, without telling them the truth about God and the importance of purifying heart and going back to God. And even the so-called pious people, they will put chandan, kumkum, everything, but through their business they will loot money from the people by making exorbitant profits. They will only be pious for the sake of appearing like a gentleman, but their mentality will be sinful. That's what Lord Krishna said. And secondly, he said there were multiple wells which were overflowing with water. Isn't it? Similarly, in Kali Yuga, people would make abundant earning of money. They will have money flowing like water, but they will not give even a bit of it in charity. They'll be conjuice, very miserly. So the well in the middle, which was running dry, it talks about the true religious principles. For that they will not spend. They will spend on everything else. Just for their own eating, sleeping, mating, different thing, they will spend a lot of money. When it comes to their personal sense gratification, they will be very lavish. When it comes to giving a farthing for God, they will be hesitant. They will not give. Therefore, the middle well was running dry, he said. Then thirdly, they asked, what is this amazing scene? I saw a big boulder coming down the mountain and knocking away all the big trees. So the Lord said, you see, there are various religious principles like tapasa, brahmacharena, shamena, damena, tyagena, satya, shauchabhyam, yamena, niyamena va, dekavad, buddhijam, dhira, dharmagya. All these different qualities, shamadama, tapa, shaucham, all these things are mentioned. Many of the jnanis, yogis consider these things to be the two religious principles. They follow austerities, they follow tapasya, many things like that. But he said the power of Kali Yuga will be so great, it will erode everything, it will knock down people's qualities. Tapaschanadinam dharma satyam shaucham daya kshama kale na balina rajan shati ayuhu balam smriti. He says that in Kali Yuga, anudinam, day by day, satyam, shaucham, satyam means truthfulness, shaucham means cleanliness, daya means compassion, kshama means forgiveness, ayu means lifespan, balam means strength, smriti means remembrance, memory. All these things will be eroded away as the Kali Yuga progresses. And people may be proud of these things, but they will be eroded away due to the effect of Kali Yuga. And then as the boulder came down, there was a small plant which would stop it, and that is the holy name. Krishna said the chanting of the holy name may appear to be a very simple method, but that is able to stop the ill effects of Kali Yuga. So therefore Krishna said, those people who take shelter of the holy name, they will never be able to be touched by Maya in any form, Krishna said. That is why the intelligent people are those who hold on to the chanting of the holy name. Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki! Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Boliye Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Radha Vrindavan Chandra, Radha Vrindavan Chandra, Shri Radhe. Jai